Hello everyone, my name is Arushi, a multimedia educator from Ames Media Private Limited. Today I am going to tell you how to make a stop motion animation with this paper craft. Stop motion animation is a simple way to making animated films. By gradually moving objects against a backdrop and taking photos at every stage, you can create your own illusion of art. In this video, I will show you how to create a stop motion animation video, whether is this with a photo camera, smartphone, webcam or camcorder in your photo camera mode. You will learn to carry out the animation process on a computer with the open source software which is Clideo. Now let's watch the video how we are going to make this stop motion. Before shooting what we want, finalize the script and or storyboard. Collect all the necessary props, backdrops, objects and equipment, camera, tripod, lights. Now start drawing backdrop and objects according to the storyboard. Now color all the drawing, backdrop and object figures according to the storyboard. Cut out the backdrop and object. The backdrop can just be a large sheet of paper that's been colored. Build the film set on the floor or on a table. Using a table means you can sit down during the shoot if it takes too long. Set your camera to the maximum resolution and choose an aspect ratio that fits to format of your film. The aspect ratio will normally be 16:9. After your set is arranged, start shooting. You all need at least 8 pictures per film second to get fluid movement in the film. If it takes 1 second for a figure to raise an arm, there should be at least 6 pictures between the start and end position of the arm movement. Now copy all the images on your laptop or computer and make a rough selection of photos which you want to use. Now we are going to edit this picture and make a stop motion animation on this open source software Clideo. Go to Google, type Clideo. Select this option, create your first video. Choose files. Wherever you have saved your files, you have to go to the destination and select the pictures. You have to select the pictures at one time. Now it's uploading. This is our interface of the software. We need the frame in 16:9, so we'll select this. Select this option, zoom and crop. The images will automatically crop and zoom. Now you can play the video from here. Right now the frame timings is 2 seconds per image. So we will change the settings. Click here, Just click 0.75. Now you can play. We can add audio by clicking this option. For this, first we have to download the typewriter voice. Now go to Clideo, click on option Add Audio. Now merge this video. Now you can download your video. Your stop motion animation is ready.